If you're a freelancer or manage small projects, you know it, chaos around roles and responsibilities is critical. You lose time, lose focus, lose money. RASIC Commander is a simple, visual, ready-to-use Excel tool. It organizes roles and responsibilities in one clean dashboard. No complicated software. Just Excel, and a file designed to get you started right away. Download RASIC Commander from the link in the description. Download RASIC Commander now.